invite Dr. Satya Gupta. Please come on stage, sir, and say a few words to us. Whatever you say, a few words.
Okay, okay, thank you, Jaideep ji, and it's good evening, everyone. First of all, I start with complimenting the women on this International Women Day, and this is a great honor, privilege, and opportunity for me, as Jaideep have called me here without me knowing what I have to talk actually. So regarding, of course, Women Day, of course, everyone will talk, but I also, one category of women which Prerna, when she was telling various types of women like Beti, Ma, Sas. So she forget one category actually which I'm working for, and that is called Bahu. The Bahu actually, and I will like to take this opportunity to bring our concept of what we call Uddami Bahu. Uddami Bahu is here as a community partner. So, and for that, of course, I'll just tell you how I came in contact with this great lady. I call it a heroine, Prerna Singh. Yeah, this happened through internet actually, through LinkedIn actually, last year through LinkedIn, when I was searching for someone to run my sort of NGO called DigiGaon Job Foundation, and she showed interest. And when we asked her why you are interested, so she told because this DigiGaon Foundation, which is a partner today, has a aim to create 1 million jobs in rural India. 1 million. So she liked the word 1 million. She told, sir, 10 lakh, 10 lakh job create करने की opportunity. I want to be a part of this. I want to run for it. So when she asked me how much salary I will get, I told we have no money, no salary. So she's working without salary actually on this. But this actually, I will tell you the concept of DigiGaon Job Factory. We have named it Uddami Bahu. Uddami Bahu because of this daughter-in-law or Bahu concept actually. Yesterday only we were seeing the film Thappad actually with our family. So there also Thappad thing is represented or shown wrongly. But whatever else is there, that is really great thing actually. The women, what a woman does in the home means as a mother, as a bahu, that is what is brought to. And women, why the women is so important, and as Jaideep had also told. So this DigiGaon Job Factory actually promises to create minimum one job in every village. Our logo is called converting unemployment into intrapreneurship. So it is not entrepreneurship. So we have chosen the word carefully, intrapreneurship. Intrapreneurship, basically, it's like entrepreneurship, but some guarantees. Actually, there is a guarantee. Entrepreneurship means you have to take a risk. And everyone cannot take risk, especially the daughter-in-law in villages, they cannot take risk. So if you cannot take risk, you cannot be entrepreneur. Because the definition of entrepreneurship is risk. And everyone cannot take risk. So when we were doing this, so we made use of four schemes of our Honorable Prime Minister, Government of India. First was Digital India, because Modi ji, first 15th August, he mentioned about Digital India. Then he came for Make in India. Next, the third was Skill India. Fourth was Stand Up India. And fifth was Startup India. So in these 5 years, he brought these five schemes. So we thought, let's take advantage of all these schemes. So we made the DigiGaon Job Foundation, which takes support from these five schemes of Prime Minister, and that is where the DigiGaon Job Foundation came. So we create a hotspot, a Wi-Fi hotspot there, and then we train one person of a village who may be 10 plus 2 only, or almost illiterate. We train them, and then he or she, that was the original concept, then they will run this show as a CEO. But then we were thinking, let's give this job to a Beti of the village, because that time there was Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, And luckily, I come from a village from where Sunil Jaglan, who created this concept of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, belongs to actually, and I know him personally. So when we came to know about this, and we wanted to train one girl of the village who was 10 plus 2 kind of thing, train her in running this hotspot, and then she will run it fair. But later on we found out the बेटी जो गांव की बेटी है उसको हमने ट्रेन कर दिया, फंडिंग कर दी, उसको काम भी दे दिया, and after few months or few years she gets married. So when she gets married she goes to other village, and that was a problem with us because हमारी सारी मेहनत सारा concept fail हो रहा था. So then we decided, and there was a lot of argument and all that. So I told, let us take the bahu of that village, the girl who has come after marriage in that village, and that is the bahu concept. So let's invest in her. So when we invest in her, because once she has come after marriage there, and maybe you from Australia, so in India, once this daughter-in-law comes in a village, she will not leave the village. She will stay there. So that is why we wanted to invest in these daughters-in-law, and that is where the concept of Udmi Bahu came. So in this concept, we have already started the first part, the Digital India. The hotspots have been set up in many villages, and now we are searching for these daughter-in-laws, finding them and then training them, then funding them, and then giving them the job. So they will run these hotspots. That was my original idea. But then it was actually Prerna brought a lot of add-on there, and I call it Prerna effect actually. The Prerna effect, she told, sir, ये सिर्फ आपका काम है, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. So I want her to do many things, like this veranda, Indian veranda, and also the local, you have these local handicrafts. Each village actually in India have two things. One, something specific to that village, something local, which have a value, which have a global value actually. And then some place in a village, it may be a religious place, a historical place, or some tree in that village. Each village have something unique. One which can attract a tourist, which have a tourist potential, and other which can be exported outside the country. So that is what Prerna told, ki in addition to your Wi-Fi and this girl selling, this lady selling the coupons and selling your broadband, she will also do this work for me. Actually, so that she really becomes a entrepreneur. From intrapreneur, she really becomes the entrepreneur. And that is where we are actually. So with that, of course, we'll see if I get more opportunity, but that is the concept I thought I can bring to all of you. All of you are requested to join and support this concept, and you'll get the leaflets there, I think. And with that, I'm really thankful to Jaideep for opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.